As design professionals, you hold extraordinary power to shape landscapes that either support or diminish biodiversity. Every project represents an opportunity to create habitat, restore ecosystems, and demonstrate that human development can coexist with nature. Bees need you. Their survival depends partly on whether design landscapes provide refuge from agricultural intensification. But beyond altruism, integrating pollinators elevates your practice, helping earn LEED points, reducing costs, engaging communities, and creating meaningful environmental impact. Start small if necessary. Even 30 square feet of native flowers matters. Collaborate with ecologists, challenge conventional landscape thinking, and design with intention. The next time you specify plantings or design a green roof, ask, how could this support pollinators? Your answer might transform not just one project, but inspire a professional lifetime of designing with nature. Let's build a future where development means habitat creation, where buildings support life, and where bees thrive alongside human communities.